The other interesting news coming up from Telangana. Telangana makes Telugu compulsory in schools across all CBSE, ICSE, IB and state boards. Telugu will now be a compulsory language in all the Telangana schools after notification from the Telangana State Education Department. All schools connected with CBSE, ICSE, IB and other boards are required to incorporate Telugu into their curriculum from class 9th and 10th. Already from class 1st to 8th we have that, and 9th and 10th also we have to include. Schools are allowed to offer a simpler Telugu curriculum in order to accommodate students from non-Telugu states. Although Telugu was first made required in 2018, its implementation was not even. Telangana Compulsory Teaching and Learning of Telugu Schools Act 2018 says that Telugu should be compulsorily taught in the Telangana schools, but the rules are not being properly followed. The new order will be applicable from academic year 2025-2026 for class 9 students, and for class 10 students it will be applicable from 2026-2027 onwards. In Telangana, Telugu is compulsory up to class 10th. 9th and 10th also Telugu should be taught. That's very important.